Inked agent, what's up, man? I am so ready to check out this house. I love Grosse Pointe.
Yo, Rick, I think I'm the only person more excited than you to check out this house. I mean, look at this thing, packed full of historic charm. But you know, one of my favorite things about this house, tons of natural lighting. And you know what's even better than the natural lighting? Nearly all of the windows have LED in them, as well as your storage compartments right next to your beautiful natural fireplace, complete with a wonderful mantle. I think this may or may not be
rich mahogany.
You want to see how well these lads are oiled?
Oh my gosh.
Check out.
Not even one squeak.
Check out how well oiled of a machine these doors truly are. It's even better than a well-oiled machine. These hardwood floors. Look at these beautiful hardwood floors. I mean, I just want to lay down and get my face right up next to these beautiful hardwood floors. I mean, look at the finish on them. We're gonna notice that throughout the house, there are skeleton keys on a lot of the doors. This is not one of the doors that has that. Look at this.
Oh
breakfast.
my gosh.
Imagine a table sitting right here with some stools on the side of it. You looking out at your detached two-car garage and your dog kennel.
Oh my god, in Grosse Pointe?
But for now, we're gonna continue on into the kitchen, right? So notice we've got counter space.
Wow.
Counter space in the breakfast nook. We haven't even made it to the kitchen yet, and we've got cabinetry and counter space. Cabinetry, counter space, cabinetry, counter space. It looks like we've got a listing ticket on the home here. So let's see what we've got here. So yeah, I said early 1900s. So yeah, in fact, it was built in 1922. And this here does say that we've got 3 lovely bedrooms in this masterful home in Grosse Pointe Park and 2.5 baths. Cabinets, more cabinets. Stainless steel appliances, here, 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 and behind you. Not stainless steel, white fridge. Ooh, free of any sense. Did I mention cabinets? Walls.
Look at that.
Cabinets, cabinets. More cabinets, more LED.
Ooh.
LED in your cabinets, more walls inside your cabinets. We've got more cabinets. We can store all sorts of things in this house because we have so many cabinets for your cabinetry. Next, we've got the basement. Shall we enter? I mean, one of the most important things about basements is knowing how many steps you have to go down to your basement. So let me start at the top here.
Okay.
So you'll notice that our stairs are going to be an L shape to the right. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. So 5 plus 7 steps is...
It's 12 steps.
12 steps, only 12 steps to this beautiful basement. Over here we've got Samsung washer, we've got Kenmore 27,000 dryer. This is the dryer that holds the Guinness Book of World Record for the fastest, most thorough dryer on the market in 1968. And you know what's even better than this Kenmore 27,000 that's included with the sale of this house, Rick?
What?
This half bathroom. You'll notice here, if you're a cyclist, this has a Shimano 200 GS crank arm on it, 9/16 inch spindle, a 5 bolt by 110 bolt circle diameter. You're gonna open this door up, a toilet. That makes this a half bath. And you know the greatest thing about this half bath, Rick?
What?
It's this window.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Is that window go to the crawl space?
Yeah.
Well, I'm thinking maybe we could do a historic what's it called, a diorama? A historic diorama. We'll use some trolls, some original rust trolls from the 90s, and we're going to recreate the founding of Grosse Pointe using trolls and maybe some LED lights and maybe some fake moss.
Look at this beautiful boiler. It looks like an elaborate piece of art, am I right? Am I right?
It looks nearly brand new.
Yeah. Why don't we do this? I mean, why don't we change hands here?
Okay.
You take the mic for a minute, and I'll take the camera here.
Hello, the internet. This is my first time I've ever done a listing, so I'm gonna take you over here to my favorite room. I think this is where you want to stuff all your treasures, like all your good stuff. Maybe, I don't know, some knickknacks, when we're talking about paddywhacks.
Yeah, so Rick, so this here room, this bonus room,
Yeah.
does this in fact make this home a 4-bedroom?
I think so. I think this makes it a 4-bedroom, and you know what? The hipsters go crazy about this stuff. I know, You want your microbreweries and your artisan sodas and all those things. This room right here, I mean, come on, let's say you get a boarder, you could probably charge $800 just to have them down here. They're in Grosse Pointe. They have an edgy little spot, really cool, really, the scent is amazing. You are gonna absolutely love this. This is the selling point of the house. Let's go on upstairs and take a look. You see, another thing that's cool about this house is you don't have to step on each step. You can skip them and still be all right. This main room here, when we walked in earlier, I don't think we told you some of the best points. We did talk about this awesome fireplace, but look at this radiant heat unit. I mean, come on. When I was a kid, I used to curl up on top of these just to stay warm. We only had one in our house with 7 children, so we used to take turns sleeping on top of it. Absolutely wonderful. You're gonna love it. Let's go on upstairs. So Inky, let me ask you a question. What do you think this is?
Looks like a coat closet, but in the past, Rick, I've actually seen these guys right here converted into half baths. Now, just imagine, toilet and a vanity in here.
I think that's absolutely amazing. I was also thinking, yes, bathroom, but it could also be a bedroom. There's a window on there, another bedroom. Let's count the possible bedrooms that we can have today. So that's 2 more bedrooms on there with the brick downstairs bootlegger delight, plus this.
You know what, Rick? So 2 of the things that a bedroom needs in it is an egress window and a closet. Being that this is a closet.
Oh my gosh.
And it has a window.
And it's egressed.
It, in turn, does make this a bedroom, correct?
Yeah, okay, we're gonna say you get an extra bedroom.
So we have five bedrooms?
You practically have a mansion here, a mansion in Grosse Pointe. Think about that. The clubs are gonna be calling you to join because you have so much space, you can throw all the bougie parties you want without problem. Let's go upstairs and open the champagne. Did you bring champagne? So you got this nice window here. We're talking about, this is actually, I really like these windows. This is the old school window, all wood, none of that vinyl garbage that they try to sell you these days. This right here is made out of, what is it, Atlanta pine? Is that what you were saying it was? Absolutely incredible. You have the slope up here, all painted with the nicest, most beautiful paint. There are some little bugs in there, but we're not gonna charge extra for that. Let's see here, pets are good. So these are the other bedrooms. These other bedrooms are probably the best bedrooms you've ever seen in your life. Will absolutely blow your mind. We have this beautiful mint color. I mean, come on. And you know what's really cool is, I think the vision in this room was clouds because look, it's a beautiful sky. You got some clouds on here. Isn't that amazing? And because you don't know what the sky's gonna do, the sky is an act of God. It just releases the brain, gives you a little more. So you have little tiny clouds all over the walls here. You see, I can't say that these are holes being filled because these could just be the way God wanted them. It's absolutely amazing, beautiful. So they did add some of these nice, look at that. I mean, I don't know how much you pay for these, but I mean, it's just worth it. I think these beautiful textiles it's probably set them back a couple grand. I would say handmade, and look at, see how rustic they are at the bottoms? Very smooth, very deluxe. Let's keep moving. Oh, look at that. Your kids won't be cold. Another radiant heating unit. So they fill these with oil, correct?
Absolutely, Rick. I mean, they're gonna fill those with some hydraulic oil, some nice fluids in there, and the greatest thing about it, you never have to top them off.
You never, okay, that's great. I think, what is it, the ones we had as a kid were filled with, we have 2 more bedrooms to take a look. These are actually licensed bedrooms. These are gonna give you a little extra. This room is amazing. Beautiful, beautiful windows showing you possibilities. Grosse Pointe, the big show right here. This is what you want. You want people to see you. I wouldn't even put curtains on this window because you want people to see how well you're doing living in a city like Grosse Pointe. I'm gonna stand here, even when I'm dressing, it's gorgeous. Look at this. The sky is the limit. We also have, if we go over here, there's some cable access there, right? And then another window. This house just has so many windows, beautiful windows. Look at that. And then we have, boom. I love this. Actually, there was a local Grosse Pointe artist who did this. This is actually a custom job that was done. This is a modern art expression. It is a piece about the first the war in the Middle East. It is Desert Storm. Absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna go back in here. Look at this. Look at this, Inked Agent. We have so much we can do. And another set of keys. We're just gonna leave that in here. And those keys are keys to possibility, keys to your future. Let's go take a look at the next room. So, Inked Agent, would you like to show off the main bedroom?
All right, so we're gonna enter the lovely master bedroom. I mean, I think that's what they call this, is the master bedroom, right? We've got the largest bedroom with the most amount of square footage for a walk-in closet, and we've got a bathroom attached. I think that's what we mean by master bedroom here. We've got a lovely sage carpeting here, move-in ready. We're gonna open this door here, and what do we got here? We got another closet, regular size, Rick. Another closet in this home. And behind you, you'll notice not just one additional window, not just two additional windows, but 3 additional windows. We've got a skylight in the master bedroom, Rick. Our master closet, where we are going to be able to put the rest of our button-down collection, the ones that don't make it into the top 8 in the cabinetry behind us, we're gonna be able to put those right in here. And we've got, this home is complete with a ladder to enter the attic access right in your walk-in closet, Rick. I mean, this is going to make it so incredibly easy for you to store things. First off, we're gonna go look at the skylight again, because, I mean, the skylight, did I mention how freaking cool this is, guys? This skylight, I mean, this adds an incredible amount of natural sunlight to your master bedroom. Yes, I said your, because you are going to buy this home after you see this master bathroom. Look at this master bathroom. One of the most updated features of this house. We've got a lovely jacuzzi tub. And Rick, I think you should turn this bad boy on, and I'm gonna get comfortable here. So we're gonna step on out of here, go over to what appears to be a his and hers vanity with only one sink. Plenty big enough to put a second sink. Relocate your one sink right here, put in a her sink right here. And Rick just sat down on our second toilet of this tour. And you know what they say about toilets, it's always best to have at least 3. So hoping we can find that third one for you guys. Point out again that this master bedroom has a freaking skylight. Look at the copious amounts of natural light coming in.
Oh my God.
Right over here, we've got a shower. Large walk-in shower. Oh, and round the corner, and there's a bench. Let's go this way, Rick. Check out this door. The handle, crystal. Do you know how much this is worth? It appears to have a skeleton key. I hope we can find that skeleton key. And we've got one more thing to find, Rick. We've got to find that third toilet. We've got that third toilet, Rick. So in fact, this house is complete with 3 toilets. And you know what they say about toilets? It's always best for a family of 7 to have 3 toilets. And you know what's even better than the third toilet, Rick?
What?
Remember that radiator you spoke so highly of?
Oh.
We've got one of those right next to our toilet here. So yeah, you never have to worry about taking a cold shit. We're gonna exit down to the main floor. And again, as you mentioned before, Rick, the stairs in this home are perfect for skipping every other step. So yeah, I mean, Rick, that's really all that 1440s. Oh, wait, no, we've got exterior, Rick. I'm getting ahead of myself here.
Wait, there's more?
There's more, Rick. There's more. Let's step on outside and see what we've got to offer you guys out here. We've got a porch. Yeah, did you know that AT&T sold home security systems? Because they do, and this home has it, or it might not. We're gonna get a closer look at that 2-car garage we mentioned when we were looking through the breakfast nook there. Look at that. That door opens so incredibly smooth. Does have a garage door opener that is released, obviously, because I just pulled that door open with ease. We see only the purest, freshest pine on these walls. Let's go back a little further, because we've got, this garage does not disappoint. All right, so not only do we have a beautiful workshop along the back wall here, but the garage continues. Look at me, I just stepped through the garage wall into an additional living space. Yes, this does make this home a 6-bedroom, a true 6-bedroom home. This additional space at the back of your garage, you are going to put your youngest child in. This is going to be their place. We can, in some world, we can count these as egress windows, even though they're not installed. I mean, because they're here, we do have windows and we do have closets.
Walk-in closet.
Do have closet.
Walk-in closet.
And the 6th bedroom. Step inside. Sometimes you may even find a car parked inside of your closet. It may be a 1997 Chrysler Sebring, or, I mean, who knows? You buy this house, we may surprise you with a 2020 Chrysler Sebring parked right here in your 6th bedroom's walk-in closet. As we exit your door wall of your 6th bedroom, your lovely door wall, and I mean, pull down tabs and all. Personal dog kennel. Step inside, Rick. All right. Showing's over. Have a great day.